these alternatives to smoking are greatly risk reduced. The biomarker studies, the example of Sweden shows that if you can cut those toxins, and we're talking about cutting them by 95, around 95%, then like Sweden, we will also all see a reduction in smoking-related diseases and deaths. There will be a lag because smoking-related deaths, it's a chronic condition, and it takes a few decades of regular use. But even so, and it's said in the report, we put it in there, that quitting at any age, you begin to see improvement in health.